Welcome to the Standard 3 students. Today we will teach the English grammar chapter 8 and 9 verb and three forms of the verb. Page 36 to 41. Open the page 36. The verb. First of all, we should know that what is verb. Verb tells us the action word and the doing word. Example: Soyandeep is laughing in the class. So, is laughing is the verb. It is the action verb. It is the doing verb. What he is doing? He is laughing. क्या करता है? हंसता है. We salute our national flag. Salute is the verb. And the oranges are sweet. Oranges are is the is, am, are, was, were, shall, will. These are the auxiliary verb, helping verb. So there is no verb is there, it is the auxiliary verb. Are is the auxiliary verb. Then Ananya is running in the field. Ananya is running in the field. Okay. Is running is the verb. So the kinds of verb, if we go to the kinds of verb, there are two kinds of verb. There are two kinds of verb. One is main verb, another is the auxiliary verb. One is main verb and another is the auxiliary verb. Main verb, there is no is, am, are, was, were, shall, will. In the main verb, there is no helping. Okay, that is because we have a meaningful sense to complete the verb, which has a meaningful sentence to complete the sentence. Meaningful sense to complete the sentence. Example: Sandhya ma'am teaches us Odia. Teaches is, am, are. There is no is, am, are. There is no is, am, are before the verb. If there is before the verb is, am, are, so it will be auxiliary verb. Okay, all of you. Then we respect our elders. We respect our elders. Respect. Sahil eats an apple a day. Sahil eats an apple a day. Eats is the what is doing? What he is doing? What Sahil is doing? Eats. Sahil eats. Eats means वो खाता है. वो हमेशा हर दिन एक एप्पल खाता है. Okay. Then Arush Soilal sang a song in our function. Arush Soilal sang a song. Well, what is the verb? The verb is the sang. Sing, sang. It is a past tense. It is a function has gone. So it is sing, sang. Sing is the present verb. Sang is the past verb. Sang a song. Then auxiliary verb. So it is all about the main verb. Then auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb is the it will help the verb. What is? Is, am, are, was, were, what, shall, will. These will help. Suparya and Suhana are playing. Both are playing. Are playing. Are is the auxiliary verb. It is a verb. Playing is a verb. Are is helping. Snehasis is cooking in the kitchen. Snehasis is the subject and is cooking is the verb. Is the auxiliary verb. Cook is the main verb. It is the main verb and it is the auxiliary verb. Okay. वो किचन में क्या करता है? कुकिंग करता है. Then standard 3 children are making noise in the class. We are making. Where is the auxiliary verb. Making noise is the main verb. So then making is the main verb and where is the auxiliary verb. Then Rudra will go to Delhi tomorrow. Who will go to tomorrow? Rudra is the subject and verb is the, will is the auxiliary verb, go is the main verb. Will is the auxiliary verb, go is the main verb. Okay? Then verb are the heart of the sentence. Just a noun is the brain of the, noun is the brain of the sentence. But, and the example, how it is the heart of a sentence. Example is the Ankita is writing a story at home. Ankita is writing a story at home. Is writing, if it is not writing, is not there. Ankita a story. What is the meaning? There is no meaning. So verb is the heart of the sentence. All of you understand why verb is using in a sentence? Because it is the heart of the sentence. Then chapter 10, the three forms of the verb. Three forms of the verb. There are three: verb 1, verb 2, verb 3, then ing form. The ing form will put in the present, in the present tense. In the present tense, put in the ing form. Okay. Eat, ate, eaten. Eat, ate, eaten. Eating. It is the present form. Eating. Then ask, asked, asked. Ask is the present form. The ing will put in the present form. In the present form. Okay. Then break. Break, broke, broken. Where ing will put? Ing will put in the present form. Always ing will put in the present form. Okay. All of you understand? Then exercises. Drink, drank, drunk. Drinking. Drink is the present form. What is the past form? Drank. पी लिया. ओ पिया, उन्होंने पी लिया. पी रहा है. Okay. Then teach, taught, taught. Teach means पढ़ाना. Already पढ़ा दिया, वो पढ़ा चुके हैं और उसमें teaching पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं. Teaching ing form is running form, is going form. It is continuing, not finished. But it has finished. It has finished. The past participle is the finished, but it is the running form. It is going on. It is going on. Taking, selling, standing, putting, singing, hitting, hot. Okay. So sell, sold, sold, selling. Drive, drove, driven. Driving. Steal, stole, stolen. Stealing. Happen, happened, happened. Happening. Then hide, hid, hidden. Hiding. Drink, drank, drunk. Drive, drove, driven. Driving. Okay, like this. Or the exam, this pattern will come. Okay. So all of you prepared the present form, past form, and that is called verb 1, verb 2, verb 3, and it is the ing form. Okay, all of you understand? So it is all about the chapter 8 and 9. So thank you all of you.